Voice number 5A, the voice of the soul. Now, there's two sides to the soul. There's the redeemed side, the mind of Christ, and there's the unredeemed side. I like to say my best thinking got me 22 years. That was unredeemed thinking. I remember when we were stealing our second jet that month, and to pay off some deal, and I remember, this is how unredeemed I was. And I said, wow, this one came out of nowhere. It's like a godsend. I remember I actually said that. Now, if I'd had a prophetic voice in my life that would have said, David, how can you think that's a godsend? You're stealing multi-million-dollar jet aircraft for the Colombian cartel to bring cocaine back into the country. I just don't see how that lines up with Scripture. In retrospect, I see it pretty clearly. But at the time, I was deceived by another voice.